Hey yo my people, so boy is speaking here once again in another video about this particular update that I shared a few hours ago on my YouTube channel, telling you guys about this battle bonus that they are talking about here. To get bonus, it's all about getting $30 sign-up bonus, which is limited to some amount of people and for a period of time. And I made a video showing you guys how to get this sign-up bonus. And also remember, you need to go scroll down a bit and then look for your verify your email address. So right now, on my last video I told you guys that I'm not going to invest my $30 instantly, because you need to, once you click on get bonus here, click on that get bonus here, it will take you to where you will receive that $30. As you can see, I've received my own already. As you can see, it's not showing me bonus received already. So that is it. And I told you guys that I don't want to receive my own invest my own $30. I need to increase it, because once you are invested, you have already invested it, and you will need another $30 again to renew another investment. So I told myself, okay, let me look for some referrals, increasing my referral bonus, since I can get more referral by making video and sharing it. Some people will just sign under me. Let me use the opportunity to increase my investment mode. So you can also do that. As you can see, my bonus balance is now $53.40, which I receive every time from my referral. All I need to do is to click on this place that says claim bonus. Once I have the 30-cent bonus from the referral, the 30-cent bonus maximum of it is $300, but over $300, and that is 1,000 invited partners in total. So I have managed to invite around 135 people, and my referral bonus in total with my YouTube video and the other way around. My direct partner is 78, while level 2 partner is 51. My level 3 partner is 6, making it 135, if I might be right. So that is the thing. So next thing I want to do now is to go ahead and invest the USDT, the money that I got from the referral bonus and every other thing. So what I have to do now is to click on this place that says invest now. So if I click on invest now, it will take me to where I will need to invest it. So first of all, if you want to invest it, make sure that you click on this place that says pay with bonus. Let it shine blue. You can see I've activated pay with bonus, and now if I click on, I have to edit it to 53.4, because that is actual amount that I have on my account. And as you can see, total profit of it after 45 days is $96.12, and every single day is gonna be giving me $2.14 each 1 hour is giving me 9 cents. Total return is going to be 180%, and everything that follows it. I want to invest it now. So what I have to do now is to click on this place that says invest, and after it will be successful, as you can see, it's now showing me that the investment plan is now successful and it's now open to me. So as you can see on my bonus balance now, I don't have anything on my bonus balance. That means every 24 hours I'm sure of receiving 2.14 USDT on this particular platform. So I promise you guys that I'm gonna show you guys how to withdraw. I'm gonna do more investigation, and we are gonna talk about withdrawal on my next video, which is this particular video. Although I'm not ready to withdraw yet, because I just activated my plan. So what is the minimum withdrawal for free? Yes, as I promised you guys on the beginning of this video, I'm going to show you guys how to withdraw for free without investment, but it's gonna be tight. Yes, it's gonna be tight, as in nobody comes to create a brand new website for you just to make money and withdraw without it being tight. So let's go over to the withdrawal. Before we can say we check withdrawal, let's go over to our status, because our status here, as you can see, our status is basic. So if you click on the status to know what the status is all about, I found out about what the status, this particular basic that we are in, automatically in, have a lot of limitations, and let's go down to know what it's going to be. So as you can see on our basic, this says our basic is status. Our status is basic, I mean to say minimum withdrawal from it, whether investor minimum withdrawal from it is $50. That means we can withdraw our profits when you reach $50 without investment. I'm not guaranteeing you this is what they say on the site, and I'm just following up with what they says. Why they say starter is the people that deposited minimum of $30. Look at it over here. Accounts exceed the amount of $30 deposit. Once you do it, your accounts have been upgraded to starter. Then you can easily withdraw your funds when it reach 10 minutes. The same thing goes to premium, which you need to deposit a seeded amount of $1,000, which I know none of us will ever do it. What I'm advising, kind of telling you guys, it's better to do it. But if you don't have referral and you kind of want to withdraw from this particular platform, I will kind of recommend to you, because I'm not a financial advisor, so I will not advise you. I kind of recommend to you to, if you have the money, deposit on time, since the site is new, but it is a risk. You have to take it on your own risk, calculate the risk, but I'm kind of recommending it for you. If you really want to take the project serious, you don't have referral, for you to get up to 50 USDT with just your $30 investment, it's gonna take you a long time. I'm not lying to you. So what you have to do is to, if you have the money, if you have the $30 that you can spare losing on the site, try your best to deposit the $30 and activate your minimum withdrawal of $10, so that you then have $60 investment. So let's go over to $60 investment to know how it's gonna be for us. So let's click on $50 investment, $60 investment. It's gonna give us $60. It's gonna be giving us $2.40 every day. And over to my calculator, you can see that $2.40 within 15 days will give you back your $30. That is $6. That is, you keep on withdrawing minimum of $10 every single time that it reach, and it will only take you 15 days to reach up to $36, and your capital is out. It's kind of a risky investment. I don't know how long the site will last, but I'm just making this video to give it to you as a recommendation, and I don't know how you will take it. So that is all for now. Let's not talk about linking of wallet address, withdrawal, and everything that follows it. So make sure that you do everything possible in your hand to make a good decision on this particular site, whether to just leave your $30 investments there or to gather some referrals. And for those of you that doesn't know about it, you can check out the link on the description for more details on it. My name remains Viking, and please, let's stay safe and let's be kind to each other. Let's tell ourselves the truth, and see you guys on my next video. Bye.